What's good, YouTube? It's your boy EB Cutting. I'm gonna show you guys the differences between the Andis GTX and the regular Andis T outliner. Man, these are two of the most popular clippers in the industry. This clipper right here is kind of known, universally known in the black community, especially. Man, look. This is known for crispiness, man. This is known for, look, oh, I'm about to go get ready to go out, whatever. This clipper right here has been known to be one of the sharpest liners in the game. But, I mean, it's still one of my go-to trimmers, but I think what Andis did with the GTX is they upped the ante. With the GTX, they made a more powerful clipper. Definitely more powerful, and the teeth on this blade is longer, as you can see. They have the long teeth on these clippers, so that is it kind of pulls the hair more instead of with the gray ones. They kind of like choppy. I ain't gonna lie, the gray ones still give you very crispy, possibly. Almost the same, but these right here are more powerful, so you just have to tap the edge up so you don't cut them. You'll kind of cut a client if you use these cutting the way you use with the gray ones. The gray ones you don't have to be as soft on the touches with your edge up. But these you need to just tap and go, change, tap and go. So the difference with these, man, they're sharp. But they're powerful. They're a powerful clipper, and they're just much more powerful and they're sharper with these long teeth on the blade. I think this is definitely an upgrade, but I still find myself using the gray ones more than these because you gotta set these perfectly to get them to where they're not cutting, or you gotta have that finesse, that touch. And you got to gain that touch through practice, because going from the gray trimmers to these, you may cut your clients and that's not a good look. So you want to get your practice on with these. Make sure you're not cutting the client. And once you can get that down, you just tap it. You just make sure you tap it, because it's going to do the job just by tapping, because they're so powerful. So I don't know if any of you guys are thinking about buying these clippers. Just keep that in mind, that you're not going to go about the edge up the same way you would with the gray Andis T outliner. And I think they did a couple upgrades, man, with the motor, making them cut a little bit better or more powerful. I ain't gonna say better, because these gray ones are still some super hard hitters, and then you're gonna get the sharpest lineups with the gray ones still. But these are just a little bit more powerful, where you don't have to do quite as much work. That's the main thing with the GTX. You don't have to do quite as much work. It's just a way stronger clipper that is just a touch. You just touch them, and you touch them, you won't scar them up. So you just gotta learn the touch. Just like with any tool, you want to learn the tool before you start using it crazy, and you know what I'm saying. So just learn this clipper, and you'll be just fine. I think you should have one of each. These are a good clipper, but have one of each, so until you get used to using these, use the gray ones, and then try to incorporate these definitely just on the edge ups. Maybe not use them on the mustache as much, because you might scar them up around the neck, possibly. So just be light on the touch and you'll be fine. But the main thing is that I think they're upgraded, more powerful, but you just gotta learn how to use them. Go get them, most definitely, because these are some of my favorite go-to clippers now, but just learn how to use them first. Anyway, it's your boy EB Cutting, and I'm out.